we're back to talk about the Maxpedition Keystone Versipack.
My name is Keystone.
And I mean, I gotta tell you guys, I've been carrying this thing now for about a month. I wanted to give this an actual test where I carried it around in different situations and saw what I thought about its usefulness and if I thought it was something that I might actually carry full time. And I have to say, this thing came through with flying colors.
Pairs with flying colors.
You guys already know Maxpedition. You understand the quality that goes into the products that they make. The quality of the fabric is top notch. The zippers are YKK.
Just quality all the way.
Kind of no frills, just paracord. But again, this is Maxpedition. This is not the kind of brand that needs frills. I am not a bushcrafter. I am not an outdoorsman. I am not, really that type of person.
I'm not a smart man.
But I am an urban EDC guy, so I have this configured in more of an urban EDC setup. So that's kind of what we're going to go through. But I will point out, no matter who you are, if you are a rugged outdoorsman, if you are a commuter who is going to work every day, if you are just somebody who needs a bag to carry your crap, Maxpedition's got a few different options.
Ooh, fanny packs.
Fanny packs kind of get a bum rap, and yes, pun intended. There's a reason that fanny packs have endured over the decades, despite their, all the kinds of negative things that people have to say about them. There's a reason that they're still popular, because they're effective and they work. This gives you a lot of options around your waist. You can see currently I've got it configured with a little fixed blade over here on the side, but you don't have to use a fixed blade. If you are more into pocket knives, you can do the same exact thing with a pocket knife. Now, there's a lot of people that don't like it when you strap gear to the outside of the bag. Full confession, I did not carry this around Austin, Texas with a knife and a tool on the outside. I carried it just like this, and it worked just great. I actually had these guys on the inside of the bag.
On the inside.
It looks good in the pictures, and just to show you what it's capable of, it does have these straps over here. It also has a very generous amount of hook and loop. Patch life. If you were a medic, if you were somebody that was building out a specialty kit, you could have red, cross stickers on the outside. You could have specialty stickers on the outside designating what this pack was for. I just have it decorated with ranger eyes because I think it looks cool.
It looks cool, Dad.
It's also got the webbing on the top, which gives you a perfect place to clip a pry bar or a backup power cable. The other thing I want to talk about is after carrying it, these straps are absolutely ridiculous. Look at the thickness of that strap. Well, that's a thick boy.
Thick.
Whether you're carrying it across the shoulder or whether you're carrying it around your waist, you will appreciate the thickness of these straps. These definitely meet or exceed my quality standard when it comes to straps. The buckle is also very, very nice. It's a very satisfying when it clacks shut. UV treated plastic, it's not gonna fucking decay in the sunlight. All in all, very heavy duty strap system. This is not gonna slip off. It's definitely, seriously, I think the bag would tear itself apart before the strap ripped off. If you were in a die-hard situation where you had to hang your full body weight from an air conditioning vent inside of a duct, this strap would actually support you. So just know that. Know that if you're ever caught in a Nakatomi Plaza situation, this strap will help you hang from an AC duct. Inside the bag is fantastic. What I actually appreciate about this is it gives you the choice of how you want to organize things, and the way that the pockets are laid out is pretty practical and minimal. Up front, it's just a flat pocket. So if you have something, some paperwork, like, your Keystone Versipack description or anything like that, any kind of papers, movie tickets, theme park tickets, whatever you might be carrying, you can fit it flat right here in the front pocket. Forward-facing pouch. Again, I've got this configured for urban EDC, so boom, you've got room for your phone right here in this front pouch, in the front pocket rather, of the front pouch. Over here, I've just got some earbuds stashed, more of just an example, and then I've got this awesome Notting Hill leather wallet that I've been carrying around. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It's got your ID, it's got your money, it's got everything, and of course, you've got it right here in the front pouch of your Maxpedition Keystone Versipack. So if you've got this on, this is what's facing forward. Everything that you need is right here, ready to grab. The top pocket also opens up effortlessly with this YKK zipper. and it opens up straight and you can get a view down on the inside. In the back, there is one big open pocket. There is some space on the back with some hook and loop options, although I don't know if there's a lot of space in here. We'll talk about that for a second. One big pocket in the middle and then two smaller pockets on the sides. Now, you guys know I already organized the majority of my stuff in Manhattan Portage coin purses. So over here on this side, I've got my wipe pouch. This is just a bunch of wipes, lens wipes, dude wipes, things like that I want to, antiseptic hand wipes, things like that. Right here in that front mesh pouch. Over here, I've got my first aid kit. This is just a nice, comprehensive first aid kit, boo-boo kit. That goes in that mesh pouch. Right here in the middle, I've got the peace of mind pouch. This is kind of an all-in-one kit. It's got everything that you would need if you were out and about. I've even got another backup power kit in there, but it's got fingernail clippers. It's got all kinds of stuff in there. Peace of mind when you're on the go. And then for me over here, I just have a sunglasses case because I'm going to want to take my sunglasses. I've also got a backup power bank. I understand that different people are going to configure this differently. Different people are going to have different needs. If you're on a day out, this would be pretty good. The only other pocket I would point out is back here. There's kind of a hidden stealth pocket. There is a hook and loop capable backing. There's not a lot of space. It is nice though that there is some padding here on the back. So if this is up against your back or your chest, there is some cushion for the push-in. Talking about CCW, this is a great pack and I like everything about it. I am not a CCW, so carrying a Pew Pew every day is not a concern of mine. If you are somebody who wants to carry a Pew Pew with you, everywhere that you go, and you're thinking about a Keystone Versipack for the CCW capability, I don't know. I don't know how I would rate this as far as that is concerned. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of room in here. If I was looking for a bag specifically for the CCW capes and a Pew Pew, I don't know if I would pick this specific bag, but since I'm not concerned about that and I don't care about that, this has been a great bag for me to carry. How does it look when you're out in the wild? When you sling it over your shoulder? Are you slinging on your back? Well, I'm so glad you asked.
Hold my stones.
It's the Keystone Versipack from Maxpedition. Throw it on your waist when you're going on a mission. Wear it crossbody, wear it going fishing. Keystone Versipack from Maxpedition. Versatile hit pack, that's why they call it the Versipack. Duh. Throw it on and you're ballin'. If you hear the thunder, that's just nature calling. It's the perfect bag for the gear that you're hauling. It can be a hip pack or a crossbody. You know it's damn tough, just like Rowdy Roddy. A Keystone cooler than a Keystone Light. Even Keystone wears a Versipack every night. It's the Keystone Versipack from Maxpedition. Throw it on your waist when you're going on a mission. Wear it crossbody, wear it going fishing. Keystone Versipack from Maxpedition.
Keystone, you're so smooth.
Always.
It's a shoulder bag, it's a chest rig, it's a crossbody bag, it's a sling bag, it's a fanny pack, it's a hip bag, it's all of the above. It's the Keystone Versipack from Maxpedition. Links are in the description. Think outside the box, be creative with your gear, have fun with your EDC. This is Suns with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.
Always smooth like Keith Stone.